Hi dearest, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this purple gorgeous crinoline fascinator. Actually, a customer called and said I should make this turban for her and make two other purple fascinator for her two daughters. And so I put on my creative hat and I decided to make 4 pieces of purple fascinators so that she would have to pick 2 from them. And this is one of them that I'm showing you. I showed you one yesterday, so today we're going to be looking at the second one. I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment, and share this video. So we'll be needing 1 yard 24 inches of our 1-inch width stiff crinoline. I've already knotted the 2 edges. The next thing you want to do is to start making loops. Now while making the loops, the first stage you would want to check with your Alice band if the bowl is the way you want it to be. Do you understand the size of the bowl? So I've gauged mine and I'm perfectly okay with it. Alright, then you start making your folds. I would allow you to watch and keep quiet so that you would see how the bowls are being made. Once I'm done, I'm going to do a last minute check on the Alice band to check how it looks, and if I'm okay with that, I would start sewing it all together. Just watch and see how I sew it. While you're watching, I'm going to be talking. Now remember, I've already told you what to do concerning your Alice band, how you need to put elastic band at the end so that it doesn't fall from the head. Now if you don't know how to do that, I'll drop the link in the description of this video because it has already been done. Now the next thing you want to do is to sew it to the Alice band. Now when sewing it, you have to take the material from the Alice band and give it some distance so it holds it in that position so it's not falling flat. You can see how it's standing, so just watch. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Once that's done, the next thing you want to do is to take your flower. Remember the other flower that we left out? I said we're using it to make another fascinator. Now this is it. Now I'm going to be separating this flower because you can see the head that we have there, the middle is small. The space there is small. So I'm going to be removing some parts as you see to leave a little part there like so. So now I'm going to be taking my thread and sewing it like I told you how to sew it in our previous class. That was yesterday, or rather in a previous video. So just keep watching and learning. Now if you haven't attended Crinoline Masters class in the Ventcraft Academy, you are not doing yourself a great favor. So do yourself a great favor. Go to the description of this video. You will see the Ventcraft Academy reception. Click on it and make a request for the class. Now actually there's a game going on, so you could actually pay nothing for it, or 500 or 1000, very little. But some will pay the full price. It's just a little game. Join us and you get to see the game. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to use your hand and pull out the pearls that are inside so it comes out looking lovely. You can see how it's just coming out instead of it being inside. So that's what I did. And the next thing, I took those other petals I removed from the flowers, single like that. I took one where the glue is. Make sure you use the glue part and put the glue inside and close it up like this. Now I'm going to sew it to form a small flower. You know why? Remember the flower that we just put inside? The middle of it has one green thing showing. You don't want that. You want it looking perfectly nice. You know, exquisite. Alright, so that's what I did. I'm going to sew it like that to form a little rose. So keep watching and learning. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please just write in the comment section below I'm watching and learning. I love that phrase. I'm sure you're used to it by now. Okay, so the next thing, you want to take your uhu gum and then put it all over and place it in the middle of the rows that you just put. Now you can see you're forming a flower from a flower. You're changing a flower. That is a flower transformation. In that cool. All right, so now we're going to do something else that made this crinoline look hot. Now you see, I take another petal and I'm going to put glue in the middle of this, and I'm going to fold it just into two, like so, not into, remember the other one we folded it into three times, into halves, two halves, but this is just one half. Then I put my glue all around the bottom, and I'm going to open one of the loops like so and put it underneath like that, and you can see that it's forming a different flower. Now I didn't stop there, I went round, so keep watching and learning. Okay, so one of you has asked for DIY kits for each of the videos, so I'm going to start working on that. So please do give me some time. What you do is, anytime you come to the video, I will drop it in the description, or it will be as a pinned comment. I will decide on which one, and I will let you know about that soonest. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is to put your dash of feathers like so. Seems like I'm in a singing mood today. How many of you are in a singing mood with me? Let me know in the comment section below. And when you finished, just use the flower and cover the underneath. That's what I did. I couldn't find the video. Where did that video go to if I catch you? All right. So that's how I found this pretty, lovely purple Fascinator. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, rush now, click the subscribe button, and then you go ahead to click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload new interesting and great knowledge packed videos. And before you go, see this next one? We have two other fascinators I need to put up. So let me know, should I put up A or should I put up B as the next tutorial you will want to see? I hope to put it up tomorrow by God's grace. Alright, now leave the comment below under your choice if it's A or B you would like to see tomorrow by God's grace. And then click the join button. Have you clicked the join button in making this channel great? When you click the join, you will be directed to make a payment. Assist me in building up this channel. What it would assist people to get more accessories, and make great designs for you, and also upgrade some of the stuff that I use so that the videos will be better and all that. You get what I mean. All right, then, it's been nice staying here with you. Check out this next video.